stuck in the traffic there. That was I was saying.
Little movement.
Okay.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth it, Eugene. That 8 hours being stuck on the road, getting hit by another truck.
Oh my
It's
God.
all worth it. We got
And now we're
everything
doing-
that we need.
Hallmark Filipina movie.
That's right. It's gonna be amazing. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Congratulations, we did it. We nailed it, guys. We finished up the shoot. That's pretty epic. Hi everyone, we just wrap up our photo shoot today, our filming for today, and we are delighted we did it so good. We got the snow that we needed. It was a lot of hard work getting here, but we made it. Thanks again to everyone that helped us make this happen. To Tita Salve for her beautiful home, and thank you for our food, to Plato Filipino.
Sweet Sophie.
Fashion cake.
Yes.
Bayong, Canada.
For our parole. Once again, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget, Scale Up Media Group. Let's work
Peace
to
up.
work it. Thank you!
Kita pa yung nagsabi.